Welcome students for this Neet Jee mock test class. அப்படின்னு ஒன்று பண்ணுறோம். I'll share the test paper. This is actually prepared by ஒரு institute, bigger institute. I mean, direct coaching கொடுக்குற ஒரு institute. I've just taken that paper. I've taken the keys also, and let us see whether we can solve the problems. Okay, some of these questions நம்மளால பண்ண முடியுதான்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. And இப்போ
Yes,
12th
sir.
ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாருமே நீங்கள் யூ வுட் ஹவ் ஸ்டடீட் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த போர்ஷன்ஸ். 11th அண்ட் மற்ற இருக்கிறவங்க கொஞ்சம் படிச்சிருக்க மாட்டீங்க, பரவாயில்ல, நெவர் மைண்ட். ஐ ஆம் யூஸிங் சபரி ஆஸ் அ ரீடர் ஃபார் ஆல் தீஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். சபரி, கேன் யூ ரீட் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1?
Yes,
ஆர்
sir.
ஏபிள் டு எல்லாரும் தெரியுதா? ஆர் ஏபிள் டு see the questions
The
screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, you can see All India's test series NEET 2024-25. இன்ஃபேக்ட் நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன்னா, நீங்கள் இந்த மாதிரி இப்போ நீட் 2025 எழுதுகிறவங்க, பீப்புள் who ரைட் நீட் 2025, you can join, not now, maybe in February or something, join any one of the All India test series. ஒரு 10 டெஸ்ட்டு அல்லது 20 டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுற ஒரு சீரீஸ்க்கு ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். மேபி 5,000 10,000 அப்படி கேட்பான், பரவாயில்ல, இட்ஸ் ஒர்த் இட். தென் you can write those tests online தான் இருக்கும். You can write those tests, and so that you will come to know, like suppose ஒரு 10,000 5,000 பேர் எழுதுறாங்க வச்சுங்க, எந்த ஒரு இதில் இருக்கீங்க, you are in which, what is your rank, you may get an idea, that you will find out what is my rank among, he will tell you, 4,900 people wrote this exam, out of which you have come 2,000 rank, அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒன்று, they will give those information. So that will be very valuable to you. And secondly, you know how to write the 3-hour test. So something like that. Of course, all these things I am not going to read. I will straight away go to the question. Yes, Sabari, can you read the first question?
Yes, sir. The engine of a train produces an acceleration of 8 meter per second square when 5 coaches are attached to it. If this same engine pulls 10 coaches, what will be the acceleration produced?
Maybe I will read again for the benefit of everybody. The engine of a train produces an acceleration of 8 meter per second square when 5 coaches are attached to it. If, 1 minute, I think somebody is coming.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. No, we have started the class. You are late. Anyway, no problem. Join us. The engine of a train produces an acceleration of 8 meter per second square when 5 coaches are attached to it. If the same engine pulls 10 coaches, what will be the acceleration produced?
The 16 meter per second square, sir.
Mr. Sabari, you have proved that you are a 9th standard boy. Thoroughly proved that you are a 9th standard boy. Joke. I mean, since this is meant for a 12th standard boy, no, a boy or a girl. So you are proved that you are a 9th standard boy. Okay, what about others? F equal to MA, force remaining equal, M increases, 10 coaches means M becomes double.
Yes, sir.
What will happen to A?
It will also become double, sir.
Hey, just check. F equal to MA, F remains constant. If M increases, becomes 2M, what will A become?
Sir, half.
That's why I told you, you have proved that you are a 9th standard boy in Sona India. I just told you because, so it is half, 4 meter per second square. Why others are not able to answer, I do not know. No, I mean, you give an answer. These are not very easy questions, not very difficult at all. Don't think that it's very difficult. Nothing is not difficult. To prove that only I have taken this paper. I have not seen this paper earlier. Only today morning I got it through somebody else. So I got the keys. From the key I found the first answer. The answer for the first question is option 4. Okay. So I don't know why you people find it difficult or something like that. Okay, go to question number 6. Again, I'll ask Kavinaya to read this.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you scroll it down, sir?
No, sixth question. I am asking you to
Okay,
read
sir.
sixth
The
question.
magnitude of scalar product of two vector is 8 and that of vector product is 8 by root 3. The angle between the vectors is.
Okay, let me read again. The magnitude of scalar product of two vectors is 8 and that of vector product is 8 by root 3. The angle between the vectors is. If there are two,
Sir,
huh? Yes, please.
30 degree.
30 degrees is the right answer. Why are you taking so much time? Even எனக்கே தெரியாத ஆள் கூட தெரியுது. If two vectors are A and B, and if the angle between these two vectors is theta, then the vector product is equal to AB cos theta. Okay. So they say the scalar product is 8, that AB equal to 8 கொடுத்தாங்க, and the vector product 8 by root 3. So cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Isn't it? Is it 1 by root 3? Sorry. Root 3.
Sir, 60 degrees, sir.
No, not 60. Sorry. Wait, 1 minute. I'm confusing. But 30 degrees is the answer actually. 1 is 2, root 3. I mean, cot theta, I think you should find cot theta. Yes, cot theta is 1 by root 3, no? Yeah. So that is 30 degree. 30 degree is the right answer. I think AB cot theta it will come. So 1 by root 3. So I mean, that is.
Sir, cot 30 is equal to
Huh?
root 3, sir, not
Huh?
1 by root 3.
What man?
Cot 30 degree root 3, sir.
Cot 30 degree root 3. But you have to get 1 by root 3, no?
No, sir.
AB,
Cot
AB divided by
theta is equal to
cot theta,
8.
isn't it?
Scalar product means AB cos theta is equal to 8. Vector product means AB sin theta is equal to 8 by root 3, sir.
Oh, yes, AB sin
So
theta. Okay.
by dividing these two, we
These
get
two.
cot theta is equal to root 3.
Yeah. That's
So
that.
theta is equal to 30
Yeah, that's
degree.
what I'm saying. Okay, AB cot theta. Actually, AB cot theta will give you the vector product. Okay, very good. Right, fantastic. So at least one person has said this. Then we'll go to this. 1 minute. I'll make it small or big. 1 minute. So it is not difficult, children. You don't think that it will be too difficult. You be relaxed, then you will get the answer. When you be relaxed, you will get the right answer. Yes or no? In your exam also you would have seen. When you are relaxed, you get the right answer. Read question number 7. Sabari.
Yes, sir. A force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 20 kg for time interval of 10 seconds. The magnitude of change in its linear momentum in this time interval is.
Hmm. What is the this thing? What is the formula for momentum?
Mass into velocity.
mv,
Mass
sir.
into velocity, isn't it? Okay, mass is what, 20 kilo, and force is given. Force is given. Force equal to 10 n. So force
Time
divided.
was given, sir.
1 minute. Force divided by mass will be 1 by 5. What is 1 by 5? That is equal to acceleration equal to 1 by 5. Acceleration is v minus t. That is 1 by 5 divided by 10. Sorry, what is asked? Linear motor. So what is the answer? 7. So MV,
100 kg, sir.
huh?
100 kg.
100 kg is the right answer. How did you find 100 kg? See, we want change in momentum, in its linear momentum. Momentum is mv. So mv1 minus mv2 is equal to, that is mv, you can call it. So mv is equal to 100. That is right. Mv equal to the momentum equal to, huh?
Other formula, force into time is equal to momentum.
Force into
Time.
Times
time is equal to momentum. Okay. So momentum force is how much? 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. Yeah. Okay. So that is the answer. Force into time is equal to momentum. Is it correct? Others?
yes, sir.
No, not you. No, I am talking about other 12th standard students. You tell me, is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, right. Then read question number 2. Kavinaya.
Yes, sir. If time, acceleration, and force are chosen as fundamental quantities, then the dimensional formula of energy is.
Then the dimensional formula of energy is.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2 is the right answer. Okay, how did you find, madam? Find? How did you find? What is the
Sir,
formula?
sir, by using homogeneity principle,
Hmm. No, energy equal to, what is the formula? Energy equal to?
The kinetic energy half mv square. Potential
Half mv square.
energy.
Okay. So let us say kinetic energy half mv square.
Sir, we don't use energy formula, sir. We just use the dimensional formula of energy.
Yeah, okay. How did you get FAT square? I just wanted to know the logic. Anyway,
so dimension of energy is ml square t power minus 2, sir.
ah,
And in question, they given time, acceleration, and force.
hmm.
The dimension of time is t, and the dimension of acceleration is l t power minus 2, and the dimension of force is ml t power minus 2.
Okay, very good. Hmm.
We get fat square, sir.
Very good. Okay, very good. Fantastic. Okay, if you know that, then I'll be very happy. That's all. I wanted you to know this. Calculate. No, question 3. Can you read summary? I have asked Sabari and Gavinaya to come. Don't mistake me. I come to so that they can read these questions. That is the idea. Yes, Sabari.
Calculate the slope of straight line shown in the figure.
Hmm. Slope of straight line shown in the figure. Okay. How do you find slope of straight line? Is it tan 53?
No, sir. Cot 53.
Cot 53 or tan 53?
Minus cot 53.
Oh, minus cot 50. So how will you find cot 53? Cot 53. Okay, I'll go with you. Cot 53. How will you find? Cot 53 can be 27. From 90 minus 27.
Minus 3 by 4.
Minus 3 by 4. That is the answer. Okay, let me check the answer. I have the answer with me. Let me check the answer. 3 is 2. Minus 4 by 3 I am getting. The answer is given minus 4 by 3. So now check with your this thing. Why minus 3 by 4? Why minus 4 by 3 and not minus 3 by 4? Is it tan 53 or cot 53? I'm not very sure. I thought it is tan 53. I thought.
So tan 180 minus 53.
No, 53 we cannot, we know it's not, we cannot get it. No, that is the problem. 53 we may not know. But we know 30, 45, 60 and 90. So can you link? Can you link
Sir, minus tan 53, sir.
tan 53? Somebody. One minute, 1 minute.
Tan
Selvam,
53 is equal.
Selvam, don't give in the chat because I might not be able to see in the chat. Selvam, don't give in the chat. You have to open your mic and talk, okay? Because we might be able to see. So the answer is minus 4 by 3. So now you rationalize with you, I mean, with the tan 53 or something. How will you find tan 53? I do not know. How did you find minus 4 by 3 or minus 3 by 4? How did you find?
Standard formulas, we have to remember it. Tan 53 and
Tan 2a
37
equals like
degree
that,
and
huh?
so
What is the
53.
tan formula? Tell me.
So no sir, tan 53 is equal to 4 by 3. Tan 370 is equal to no tan 37 is equal to 3 by 4. This is a
No.
standard
Oh,
formula, sir.
this you have to, I think you should know this, huh?
I have to remember.
Oh, you have to remember this. My God. Okay.
Yes.
So if that is the case, I think,
These are things
gentlemen,
that can-
students, you have to remember these things. Tan 53, my God. I thought if you remember only 30, 45, 60 is enough. No, it is not enough. As per who has given this thing? Devananda. Who is the person talking now? Who gave the answer? What is the name?
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta, like as per Aryabhatta, I think you should know 53, 27, so 37, all these things you should know. Anyway, very good. Thanks, Aryabhatta. It is, I thought if you know 30, 40, 45, 60, and 90, I think I thought it is enough. No, it is not enough. So that is what we have found. So, children, now you have to get equipped with all these sine, cos for various angles, whatever important angles. Okay. Read question number 4 now, Kavinaya.
Yes, sir. The momentum of a body is increased by 50%. The kinetic energy of the body will be increased by.
Momentum of body increased by 50%. Okay. And the kinetic energy will be increased by. How will you find? I'm not getting it.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2, I think option 2 is correct. Let me check. Yes, fourth is option 2. How did you get it? Half mv square. So,
Sir, momentum is
v
mv.
square.
So,
mv, sorry, mv.
mv is increased by 50 percentage. Then kinetic energy is half mv square
Okay.
by mv square. So it will be square, and by 2 we get 125, sir.
Okay. If you square and you 2, you will get 150. Okay. Right. I think that's quite logical. Okay. Can we go to question number 9? We will read. Sabari, you will read. No, I think question number 9, I think it may be difficult for us. No, whichever is easy, I'm going to do. Question number 5.
One of the forces that
Question number 5, you can read. Question number 5.
Oh, sir, 9.
a
9, we will leave it.
person traveling
Hmm.
on a straight line with
No, I will read. I think there's some
yes,
issue with this.
sir.
No. Sabari, your voice is
A
breaking.
person traveling on a straight line without
Sabari, your connection
a
is breaking.
person
I will read. I will read. No problem. A person traveling on a straight line
traveling
without
on a
changing
straight line
direction.
with
Sabari,
sir,
I
a
will
screen
read.
is not visible, sir.
Oh, screen is not visible. But what about others? Or is it visible?
It's visible, sir.
Okay, I will read. I will read. A
One speed of
person traveling on a straight line without changing direction moves with a uniform speed of 10 meter per second for half of the total distance. And next half of the total distance he covers with a uniform speed of 20 meter per second. The average speed of the entire journey is.
40 by 3 meter per second. 40 by 3 meter per second.
Yeah, 40 by 3, I think maybe right answer. Let me check. Fifth one is option 3, correct. So, can you explain how did you get it?
So let's take half distance. T1 is equal to x by 10 sir,
Ah,
and T2 is equal to x by 20.
hmm.
Total distance is 2x sir.
2x, okay, correct. Okay, I think your steps are correct. Correct, 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 correct. So that is the way. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா I will do it, I will tell you. ரொம்ப ஆக்வர்டாக இருந்தால் நீங்கள் யூ ஹவ் டு forgive me. Okay, will you forgive me? Kabinaya, will you forgive me if it is very awkward? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the LCM of 10 and 20?
20.
No, LCM of 10 and 20. Okay. I will make a multiple of 20s. Let us say I take 400. If it is 400 is the total distance, half distance is 200, and half distance you are covering with 10 meter per second. So how much second you will take for 200? 20 seconds? To cover 200, you will
Yes,
take
sir.
20 seconds. In the next half, you will take 10 seconds. So totally 30 seconds you are taking, and total is 400 divided by 30. That will be 40 by 3. This is how I do it. I will not keep it as x. Normally, when I keep it in the alphabet, I get jittery. I get confused. Everywhere I use only the numbers. I mean, I'm not saying this is the right method or wrong method, but this is the way I do it when I was like you. Even now, I did like that only. That's why when that boy, I mean, Aryabhatta, somebody said 40 by 3, I immediately said yes. So I also got 40 by 3. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So you can know if it is convenient, you can put
Yes,
x
sir.
and do it. Nothing wrong in it. If it is convenient to use a number, and use a number such that the other 10 and 20 will divide in whole number. No, like that you find a number and then you can do it. Okay. Question number. Let's say question number 11. We'll see. Oh, sorry. Question number 11. Yeah. Now, whose turn is this? Kavinaya's turn, I think.
Yes, sir. The velocity acquired by a body moving with uniform acceleration on a straight line without changing direction is 30 meter per second in first 2 seconds and 60 meter per second in first 4 seconds. The initial velocity of the body is.
When acquired by a body moving with uniform acceleration on a straight line without changing direction is 30 meter per second in the first 2 seconds. Okay. And 60 meters per second in first 4 seconds. The initial velocity is. I am getting confused. Let me, give some thought to this. First, in the first 2 seconds, it is going by 30 meter per second. Okay, but in the 60 meter and 60 meter second in first 4 seconds, in first 2 seconds velocity, and 60 meter in first 4 seconds, that is 240. What is its initial velocity? Uniform acceleration means what? I'm not getting it. Any of you are getting it, but I'm getting confused with the question.
Doing.
Which is the answer?
Doing so 1 minute.
Take your own time. Don't be in a hurry. Even if I, no. Let us assume the initial velocity 0 ன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். We'll keep it as 0. Will it
So
be
answer
correct?
0.
Yeah, answer 0. Why? How did you find that?
So using kinematic equation because uniform acceleration, sir. So we can use kinematic equation 1. 30 minus u is equal to 80, sir.
Yeah, v minus u equal to 80. Correct.
Yeah, yeah. First they give 13. They acquired a velocity 30 in first 2 seconds, sir. So
Yeah.
30 minus u is equal to a. Let's take acceleration is equal to a. So a into 2.
2. A into 2.
And next 60 minus u is equal to a
Correct,
into
correct,
4.
correct. I also
According
thought
to
like that. Anyway, even though I was little confused by reading. How many of you got confused with this question? I'm sure Kavina got confused. I know from here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sabari, I do not know. So,
Yes,
see,
sir.
at
Me
least
too,
you
sir.
should know that you are confused. Like, for example, I found I was confused. I may know what is acceleration, what is uniform acceleration, or I may know everything. But the way they ask questions, you may get confused. This can happen to anybody. Even if you are very thorough, sometimes you may get confused. Little clarity is required. That is why you have to read two times, sometimes 3 times, and little you should see away from your that question paper. See the the neighbor girl or a boy, and see some outside the window. Get some kind of fresh kind of energy, and then again see the question. Then you may be able to answer.
so please show 10th question, sir.
Huh?
10th question test.
Let me see. No, I skip some questions because I don't know anything about it. So that's why I skip. But you may know it. I'm not saying you don't know. So now we have seen 11th question. Answer is 1. Option 1 is the answer. 10th question will go. What is 10th question? 1 minute. 1 minute. We'll take it. Okay, 1 second. No, assertion and reason. I'll read. A number 1.746 rounded off to 3 significant figure is 1.75, while the number 1.743 would be 1.74 after rounding off to 3 significant figures. This is assertion. Reason. In rounding of the uncertain digits, the preceding digit is raised by 1 if the digit to be dropped is more than 5 and is left unchanged if the digit to be dropped is less than 5. So this is the reason they are
So
giving.
option 1.
Huh?
Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A.
Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Is it correct? Others, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. I agree
Yes,
with
yes,
option.
correct. I think that's correct. So that is the answer. Option 1 is the answer. No, I will tell you who is that fellow, Aryabhatta or Tattvatika, why I skipped 10. Whenever, when I was writing exam, whenever the question is big, I'll get worried. What will happen to me? I'll get worried. The question may be simple. I'll get worried, I'll skip to the next question and then do it. So that is like that only I've skipped it. I don't know. Similarly, you may have some other mechanism in your mind. Now, whenever you find some complicated numbers or something, then you may skip. So that is the reason why I skipped. But we found that 10th question is easy. We need not have skipped. Like that, when the question is big, my worry is when this question is big, if we are not able to answer, we will be spending more time in reading that question. We'll be wasting our time. Now that there could be, is one way of looking at it. I am not saying this is right. So that is the reason I skip such questions. Okay, this we went to. Let's go to question number 12. Shall we go to 12?
Yes, sir.
A uniform thick string of length 5 meter is resting on a horizontal frictionless surface. It is pulled by a horizontal force of 50 Newton from one end. The tension in the spring at 1 meter from the end where the force is applied will be. So, what is the answer? Anybody has got any idea? You take your own time, not in a hurry, because yeah, I could not figure out the methodology. If we find it difficult, we can skip the next question. Then we'll come back.
50 Newton.
Huh?
50 Newton.
12th question answer is option 1, 40 Newton. We will see, I have the solutions also. I will show you the solutions later after doing one or two other problems. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's not massless string, no, sir. So 40 Newton is correct.
40 Newton is correct. Huh? Okay. Anyway, I'll leave that to you. 16th question.
Because the mass is divided in.
Okay, we'll see the that solutions. Now we go to 16th question. Go to 16th question. A ball is dropped. I mean, Kavinaya, can you read?
Yes, sir. A ball is dropped from a tower. In the last second of its motion, it travels a distance of 35 meters. Find the height of the tower. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square.
It's dropped from. When you drop a ball from the top, what will be the initial velocity?
0.
0. Okay. What is asked? Height of the tower they are asking. Okay. In the uh, uh, last second it travels a distance of 35 meter. Find the height of the tower. I am getting t equal to 4. I am getting t equal to 4. So half into 10 into 4 square is 8. 4 it is coming 40. What is this? What is asked? Find the height of the tower. T plus of a t square. Oh, 16. 16. Okay. 80 is the answer, I think. One minute, I'll check. 16, 1. Yes, 80. I'll tell you how. Maybe, See, S equal to ut plus half 80 square. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So, u is 0. So, S equal to half 80 square.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the total time taken is t. So, S equal to half 80 square. And the distance travelled till t minus 1 time is S equal to half into a t minus 1 whole square. Am I correct?
Sir, how it is t minus 1, sir?
Because 1 second before, no? The last second means the distance travelled till the last but 1 second is of a t minus 1 whole square. I think I'll show you. I'll show you this because I got it correct. Luckily, I got it correct. Not that I'm good at it, but still I got it correct. Sometimes even if you are not good, you will get it correct. Is it luck, Kavinaya? Is it luck or what? Even if
Maybe.
no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
No, it's a little bit of common sense we use. We may not
Yeah,
know
yes.
exactly the formula and all those stuff. We may or may not know, but little bit of common sense if we use. I'll tell you, I used my common sense, so that is the reason I got it correct. And why you should use common sense? That also not only here for the entire life, you have to use more common sense than your knowledge in the whatever you have studied. And
Yes, sir.
common sense is very uncommon in our society. We don't use common
Yes,
sense.
sir.
Anyway, just okay. I mean, that's a separate. Till the time it opens, I was just talking something. 1 minute, huh? Chai. Uh, yeah, see, S equal to U ut plus half it square. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Half I will put 0.5 because other half a t square. Okay. Now let us say the total time taken to reach the ground is t. So S will be like that, and the distance travelled till t minus 1 second is equal to the u is 0. So that way u is 0. So that ut is 0. So S equal to 0.5 at square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes, sir.
0.5 a t minus 1 whole square. So S minus S1 is how much? S minus S1 is how much? 35 they have given. The
Yes, sir.
last second it is covered like that they have given, no?
Yes, sir.
So 0.5 a into t square minus t minus 1 bracket closed square. Is it correct? S minus
Yes,
S1,
sir.
0.5, okay, 0.5 A is 10. So 0.5 A is 5. Is it correct? 5 into, so I am expanding t square and I will expand. T minus 1 square is t square plus 1 plus minus 2t. But minus is there, so minus t square. Tell me minus t square, then plus 1, minus 1, minus 2, plus 2t, no? Plus 2t. Am I correct? T square minus t square minus 1 plus 2t. T square, t square, t square cancels. 5 into 2t minus 1. 2t minus 1 is equal to 35. Sorry, 5 into 2. So 2t minus 1 is equal to 7 because 35 by 5 is 7. So 2t is equal to 8. So t equal to 4. If t equal to 4, we have to find s. S equal to zero point 0.5 into a, that is 5 t square. T square is 16. 5 into 16 is how much? புரியுதா இல்லை கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடுச்சா? You got confused?
Understood, sir.
Huh?
Understood, sir.
Understood. What about
Yeah.
others? Sabari, you are not speaking.
Sir, from the third step, I can't understand. Sir.
No, yes, s minus s1 equal to 35 equal to 0.5 at square and minus t minus 1 whole square. This you understood? See, s1
No,
equal
sir.
to 0.5 a t minus 1 square. Or t minus 1 square. I mean, I have to put square. So like that. So now s minus s1 is just calculation only. S minus s1 equal to, if you expand it, you get 5 into 2t minus 1 equal to 35. 2t minus 1 is equal to 7. 2t equal to 8. T equal to 4. And you have to find what is the distance traveled at till fourth second. So that is equal to half a t square. Half a is 5. 5 into t square is 16. So 5 into 16 is 80. That's how you can do. Hope you all of you have understood. So use your common sense. Sometimes see, even I don't know. This is the first time I'm seeing such question paper. I've never seen. Morning I saw. I just downloaded and kept it here. Okay, go to question number 13. Can anybody read?
34, sir.
Huh?
13, all of this.
Which of the following pair of physical quantity have the same dimensional formula? Work and energy have got the same dimensional formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Torque and energy also the same dimensional formula. Angular momentum and Planck constant, is it same?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. All three are same. So let me see whether the answer is correct. 13. 13 is 4. Very good. 13 is 4. Okay. Now for the, I will just go to the chemistry part of it a little bit. No, again we will be doing more questions again later. Chemistry part 86 onwards. Okay, 82 we'll find. What is this? Oh, that yes, may be difficult. Now the difficult ones I will skip.
So 82 east only, sir.
82, what is that? Match list 1 and list 2. Value of L, number of orbitals. I don't know because for me it looked difficult. That is the reason okay. I wanted to find something which is easy for everybody. The number of angular node for 3s orbital is that may be, I don't know. It will be difficult. That is, I mean, when I say difficult, it is the 12th portion. Okay, what is this mass percentage of hydrogen in CH4 is? This you can find out, no?
Yes, sir. 25%.
How did you get it?
So 4 by 16 is equal to.
C is 12, no? C is 12, H is 4, 16. And 4 by 16 is 1 by 4. Yeah, 25%. Correct. 25%. Let me see. Question 95, 2. Correct, 25%. So I am just taking some. Say, I wanted to tell you, in any question paper, 33% of the questions are easy. You will get the right answer. Say, I am just figuring out the easy questions. Botany and all will not go. Only this one will go.
So you will see chemistry questions.
Yeah, I am seeing. So which among the following mixtures shows positive deviation? Oh, No, there are some no junior students are there. I thought I will show them the question paper. Neat question paper is not very difficult. I just wanted to show them. Okay, can you read this, Kavinaya?
84, sir.
84.
Yes, sir. A FM radio station broadcast at a frequency 3 into 10 to the power 5 hertz. The wavelength of these radio waves will be.
So what do you find? The velocity of radio wave equal to frequency into wavelength. So if you know the velocity of radio, I mean,
10 power 3 meters, sir.
10 power 3. That is the answer.
C. Yes, sir.
You are
C is
giving the
equal to
answer.
lambda. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Answer 10 power 3.
How did you get it?
C is equal to lambda into mu, sir.
Correct.
Here, C is equal to 3 in 10 power 8, and
Oh,
lambda
C
is
is equal to that
to.
frequency. I mean the velocity of this one will be 3 into 10 power 8. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, the radio waves. Velocity of radio
magnetic.
3 in 10 power 8. So that you divide by this thing, that will give 10 power 3. Anyway, let me check the answer. 84. Oh, 84, I have not noted the answer. 84. 1 minute, I'll check the answer for you. 84. 84 answer is 3.
Correct, sir.
Correct, huh? Okay, now I just wanted to show you this portion. See here they have given the keys and then they have given solutions also. You see? Listen, children. See, first question we know F equal to MA, we did it, no? So that it is there. Second question that ML and all those stuff you told me. Here, see tan 180 minus 53. So we don't know 180 minus 53. So it is minus 4 by 3. And then see 30 equal to u plus 80 and 60 equal to u plus 80. That this we had did it. We did it like that. See, they have given explanations. I will share this in our group. You please go through the questions and then the answers also. Then what all we did here. That much only we did. Right. No, here velocity is constant along the incline. Friction force equal to mg sine theta. That is equal to 50 into 4 by 5 40 n. We found out. Then what is it? Okay, I think it is there. So you can. I'll share this with you. You just go through it. But I am sure, 100% I'm sure that out of how many questions? 720 means divided by 4. That is 180. Sorry. 60, 60, 180. Out of 180 questions, at least 50 questions are very easy. You can take it from me. 1/3. 180, 1/3 is how much? 60. 60 are very easy. More of a common sense. Little bit of knowledge is required. I'm not saying you don't need knowledge, but more of common sense. So you can do it. But beyond that, you need knowledge. 50, 1/3, that is 60 into 4, 240 marks you will get. Just even if you are a 9th or 10th standard level, knowledge is there, and with little bit of common sense, you can get 240 score in your NEET. This is what I wanted to prove today. Hello, Kavinaya and what is Sabari? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Suppose NEET exam is given to both of you, you should get 240.
Yes, sir.
So by another 3 years, if you study, will you not get 600 or something like that?
Yes, sir. We will
So
get, sir.
that is the reason why I called you today. So I called some of the foundation class students simply because many a times we think these exams are difficult. It is not so. That is my point, which I wanted to. It is difficult. Where to get 720 out of 720 it is difficult. But to get something like about 400, 500, I mean 500 or 560 or whatever that cutoff is required for your category, it's not very difficult. It's not easy at the same time, but it's not very difficult. If you want to get 720 out of 720 or 700 out of 720, yes, I can understand. But even if you one question is wrong, what is the mark you will get, Aryabhatta, if one question is wrong?
So minus 5.
Minus 5. You will get only 715 out of 720. Even if one question is wrong, you lose 4 marks because you are not getting the full 4 marks, and negative mark is 1, 5 marks gone. So out of 720 minus 5, 715 only you will get. So getting 700 or 680, it's difficult because even if you miss some 5 or 6 questions, you will get only that much. But getting something like about minimum score is not difficult. But why it is difficult for students? Simply because they think it is difficult. That is the point I am trying to make. I wanted to,
Sir,
when I saw this paper, I wanted to prove today these papers are not difficult. At the same time, it is not easy. So if you can have a calculate, if you have some common sense, little bit of calculative knowledge, then probably you can do it. Okay, we will close at this today. I am sharing this paper with you. We will continue with this paper when my class comes. Whenever I get an opportunity, I will continue with this with the other questions. In the meantime, you do it. You know very well. Aryabhatta, I don't know whether he knows it. Here we have classes for physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. 4 days we have. Fifth day, right now we are taking one more physics class because physics we did not cover sufficiently. So we have put two masters. One person is taking on Friday, one person is taking on Saturday. But today, since that person is not able to come, I thought I will take this mock test. Okay. Thank you so much. Anything you want to say, children? Kabinaya, you want to say anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, you may not have anything, but the 12th standard students, now many are there, but no, you should keep in your mind these exams are not difficult. That is what I wanted to convey today. I am not knowledgeable in any of these subjects, frankly speaking. You know it. In fact, you know it. So, but still, with our limited knowledge, with my limited knowledge, with your knowledge, we are able to answer. With our man Aryabhatta's knowledge, we are able to do it. No, so that is what I am trying to say. Okay, thank you. We will meet again.